today we're going to be talking about media application scenarios. We are going to be taking a look at 3 different scenarios today, and they are going to be focused on our elementary scenario, middle school, and high school. It is important that we stay on track, and these are the components that we are going to try to hit in every scenario to make sure that our student needs are met. We are going to focus on students with specific learning disabilities in reading and math, English language learners, students with varied ability levels, multicultural students, students with limited access to technology in the home. Our first scenario is based on our elementary in Mr. B's classroom. And he is stating the fact that his students, 4th grade students, are having trouble with their math. So I took a liberty at pointing out Khan Academy and Cool Math Games. Khan Academy is a great technology resource. It breaks it down to their grade levels. They have different examples of what they can do as far as the fractions is concerned, and they can even be tested at the end of the unit. Cool Math is something that the kids can do. It also breaks down their level of their ability in their math. It also is a game that keeps them entertained as well as learning all at the same time. And it is great for all his students in his classroom. Even the ones that's having trouble with even our diverse learning. Khan Academy and Cool Math, they break stuff down in English and in Spanish as well. It gives them an opportunity that once they go through the lesson in Cool Math, they can also play a game about it as well. So these are 2 great resources that Mr. B could use in his classroom to help develop and help get the concept down of their fractions. In scenario 2, we're going to take a look at our middle school, which Mrs. C. She was having trouble with getting her students to understand the local environments. So I thought that her putting them in learning groups, so she can split her classroom up, and she can put a little bit of everyone. Her stronger ones can go with the weaker students in the groups. I will let each group can research different environments and then pick the technology base where they want to present their assignment. That could be PowerPoint, it could be Flipgrid, it could be Prezi. Also, I thought a good thing that could be broke down as well is, especially with our students that's learning English, Google Translate will be good. Siri on your cell phone will be good. They can all transfer stuff like that, and then they can present it as a class. Flipgrid has some great things where they can actually see themselves on the videos to get a better understanding of it as well. Prezi is a good aspect as well, and so is PowerPoint. Scenario 3 is with Mrs. R, and she is our high school teacher, and she is trying to get her students ready for the standardized testing. So I thought test prep, so she can do some do nouns, which those are at the beginning of the class, / bell ringers. She can do exit tickets before they leave the class. She can do games. She can do test questions as examples. All these are good, and she can even do Quizlets. They're able to make assessments online. So she's able to check the assessments online, so she can make up a quiz. They can go online and do the quiz, and she's able to see how well they did or what they still need to work on. I also know Microsoft and Google, they also do that as well as the assessments too. So these are all different aspects of what she could do to help improve their test scores or even get them ready for their test.